Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure your GEO number is active, know the current plan and expiry, and have payment ready. Once done, open the My GEO app and sign in with your number. Verify the OTP so you can access account details. You need the app because it shows eligible upgrade options and personalized offers. This saves time. Make sure your payment method is already added, or be ready to enter UPI or card details when prompted. Next, navigate to plans or recharge and actively filter by validity, daily data, and price so you see relevant options. Compare features, daily data, peak speed, unlimited voice, and any OTT subscriptions. This tells you why one plan fits better than another. Once you've narrowed choices, inspect upgrade eligibility and any add-ons like family packs or extra data. Make sure auto-renew settings match your preference. If you need a temporary boost, consider finish by confirming payment, choose your saved method, authorize the transaction, and watch for the app confirmation plus an SMS. Once the recharge is applied, restart your phone and check that data, calling, and claimed OTT benefits are active. This verifies the upgrade. If the payment fails or benefits don't reflect, note the transaction ID, check UPI or card limits, and retry after confirming funds. If issues persist, contact GEO support with the ID so they can trace and refund if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.